Welcome Primax Autos. Today, we're diving into an exciting legend reborn, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6. A name that carries serious heritage, raw American muscle DNA, and a legacy that performance fans respect worldwide. The C6 generation originally dominated roads and racetracks in the mid-2000s, and now the 2026 reimagined version brings that iconic spirit back with modern engineering, sharper technology, and even more thrilling performance. Exterior design: classic meets aggressive modern. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 keeps its low-slung, wide-body stance that made the original C6 instantly recognizable. The long hood, short rear deck, and sculpted side vents remain part of its identity. However, this updated version features sharper LED headlights, aerodynamic front splitters, redesigned air intakes, and a more aggressive rear diffuser. Signature quad exhaust tips still dominate the rear, but now they're paired with modern LED taillights and lightweight carbon fiber elements. The design balances nostalgia and innovation, making it both familiar and futuristic. Engine and performance: pure American power. Under the hood, the 2026 Corvette C6 is expected to feature a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering around 495 to 520 horsepower in the base configuration. For performance enthusiasts, a high-performance Z06-inspired variant could push output beyond 650 horsepower. With a 0 to 60 mph time estimated at just 3.5 seconds for the base model and possibly under 3 seconds for performance trims, this Corvette remains a serious contender in the sports car world. Rear-wheel drive, performance-tuned suspension, and advanced traction control systems ensure that power translates directly to the pavement. Interior: driver-focused precision. Inside, the 2026 Corvette C6 combines classic cockpit inspiration with modern luxury. The driver-centric dashboard layout surrounds the pilot with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen system. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents elevate the cabin feel. Advanced connectivity features such as wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and customizable driving modes ensure that comfort meets performance seamlessly. Technology and safety: smart performance. The updated Corvette C6 includes modern safety technologies that weren't available in earlier generations. Features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and performance data recorders give drivers both confidence and control. Performance telemetry systems allow enthusiasts to track lap times, G-forces, and acceleration metrics, making this Corvette not just fast, but intelligent. Driving experience: raw yet refined. What truly defines the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 is its driving feel. The naturally aspirated V8 delivers a deep, aggressive exhaust note that enthusiasts crave. Steering is sharp, responsive, and confidence-inspiring at high speeds. Magnetic ride control suspension adapts to road conditions in milliseconds, offering both track-ready stiffness and comfortable cruising when needed. This balance makes the Corvette suitable for weekend track days and daily driving alike. Pricing and market position: the expected starting price for the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 could begin around $70,000, making it one of the most competitive performance cars in its class. Even higher trims are expected to offer supercar-level performance at a fraction of European rivals' pricing. Final thoughts: a legend reimagined. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C6 is more than just a comeback, it's a celebration of American performance heritage. By blending the iconic design cues of the original C6 with cutting-edge engineering and technology, Chevrolet delivers a machine that respects its past while embracing the future. For sports car lovers, this model represents power, precision, and passion in one aggressive package. Stay tuned for more automotive updates, reviews, and performance breakdowns. Welcome Primax Autos.